Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve our first competitive programming problem. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser, and there are a lot of platforms like Codeforces, CodeSafe, HackerEarth, HackerRank for starting competitive programming. But I started on HackerEarth, so I will suggest you go for HackerEarth, and later you can go on Codeforces or CodeSafe. So just type HackerEarth. So let's see. And now you can log in or sign up. So now you are logged in to HackerEarth. So now let's go to practice section, and in this section there are a lot of tracks like basic programming, data structure, algorithms and maths. So just click on basic programming. So now in basic programming there will be a lot of topics like input output, complexity analysis, implementation, operators, etc. So let's start from input output. So there are tutorials here, you can read this tutorial, and now you can start solving problems from here. So let's sort this to solved. So now in this video we are going to solve a problem that is life, universe and everything. So, and that problem is in easy section. So let's solve that problem, and you will find problem link in description, so you can directly go to the problem. So let's solve this problem. So in this problem you have to print all the numbers until you find 42. So you can see here is 42 and here output is all the numbers before 42, that is 1, 2, 88. Let's delete this one. So now let's start solving that problem. Let's take input and now run a while loop while n not equals to 42, and now print n. Again take input, so now code is done. So let's take a sample test case, that is you can pass any number here. 145, it's printing 45, 56, 89. Now let's enter 42, it will break the loop. So now just copy this code, paste here and compile and test. It will test the sample test case. So sample test case are passed. Now we can submit our code. So you can see our first code is accepted here, and for any doubt you can comment down below and you can start solving problems from here. And now let's discuss about what we have discussed earlier. So we have discussed loops and conditionals in previous videos, and so for loops and conditionals, to brush up these things, you just solve this pattern, and so you can solve these 4 patterns, and a lot more you can find on Google. So you can take screenshot for these 4 problems. And thank you for watching this video.